Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get the heat tolerance adaptation in Subnautica 2. So to begin, you want to go ahead and find an angel comb, which is located about 200 meters from the life pod towards west and inside of a cave. Also, here you'll see a shark, and you'll see that this is going to be infested with some kind of a bacteria or something like that, and it is going to be closed. So to open it, you want to go and follow these paths, these infectious paths, and using the sonic resonator, you want to go and destroy like a plant which has a bluish core inside of it. After you've done that, you want to go to the second path, which is right here. There are going to be 2 total locations you'll need to go. And after that, you want to go back to the angel comb, where the plants will open also. And to break them like easily, you'll need to distract this creature, marrow breach, with some flares. And then using the sonic breacher, you'll go ahead and go around the blooms, the plants, and destroy them. This is going to open this core, which you want to go towards it and put your hand in here. It is going to show you an option to put hand in here, and this is going to unlock the heat tolerance. So you can go ahead and investigate the tadpole pens. So this is pretty much all how to get the heat tolerance in Subnautica 2. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.